I am here as a co-chair tonight for the Broward County Women's Physicians Association. We are having our meeting at the Lenore Nolan Ryan Cooking School. We are celebrating tonight and learning how to make various different recipes.
The recipes tonight are there's a tapenade made with cheese. Several recipes. I can't remember all of them, but they're all going to be different. Oh, and there's mushroom risotto, which is cooking now, and I can't wait until it's done either.
So there are several different recipes that we could choose from what we wanted to make. Some of the ingredients were pre-made, some we chopped, cooked ourselves, and the one that I currently made is in the oven.
Everybody seems to be having a good time, and it's a new novel idea, and I think we'll do this again.